Hey friends, if you are unable to connect to your DHCP server error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Then expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi network adapter and select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Then select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The last solution is to restart the DHCP service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the DHCP service. How would you find it? Because this list is in alphabetical order. So right click on DHCP client and select restart. And it will restart the service and fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.